targets with greater accuracy, even in challenging conditions. This reduces the reliance on human operators, who may be prone to fatigue or error, especially during prolonged missions. Section 4. A double-edged sword: benefits and risks of AI drones. The benefits of AI-powered drones in military applications are undeniable. They offer increased precision, reduced risk to human soldiers, and enhanced situational awareness. These drones can gather and process vast amounts of data in real time, providing commanders with critical information to make informed decisions. These advantages make them invaluable assets in various military operations, from reconnaissance and surveillance to targeted strikes and search and rescue missions. They can quickly locate survivors in disaster zones, delivering aid and supplies where human access is limited. However, the same capabilities that make AI drones so effective also raise significant concerns. The potential for these autonomous systems to operate without human intervention and make life or death decisions without human oversight is a deeply unsettling prospect. The ethical implications of such technology are profound, and there is a real risk of accidental escalation, unintended consequences, and collateral damage. Additionally, the erosion of accountability in warfare is a significant concern. Who is responsible when an autonomous drone makes a mistake? These are questions that need addressing as the technology continues to evolve. Section 5. The ethical horizon: navigating the future of AI in warfare. The future of AI in military drones is fraught with ethical complexities. These complexities stem from the dual-use nature of AI technology, which can be employed for both defensive and offensive purposes. While AI has the potential to make warfare more precise and less destructive, it also introduces new risks and uncertainties that must be carefully managed. It raises fundamental questions about human control, responsibility, and the nature of warfare itself. Who is accountable when an autonomous system makes a mistake? As AI technology continues to advance, the line between human and machine decision-making becomes increasingly blurred. It is crucial to establish clear ethical guidelines and international regulations governing the development and deployment of autonomous weapons systems. These regulations must be robust and enforceable. Striking a balance between harnessing the benefits of AI and mitigating the risks will be one of the defining challenges of our time. This balance is essential for maintaining global stability and peace. The decisions we make today will shape the future of warfare and have far-reaching consequences for generations to come. It is a responsibility that we must approach with the utmost care and foresight.